Fubara, GSSROS, Governor of Rivers State. Her Excellency Professor Mrs. Ngozi Udu, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State. His Excellency Engineer Tella Iku, former Deputy Governor of Rivers State, members of the National Assembly here. Let me also specially recognize my speaker, the speaking speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, and other members of House of Assembly that are here, former senators that are here, head of service, members of the Assembly Council, including my team that came with me from Delta State. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my dear good people of Rivers State, I'm here happy to be here in your midst today to commission the Gbeda Committee internal routes as executed by my brother Governor Siminalayi Fubara. As I was coming, we were driving past through the road, and when I asked, they said this road was constructed by indigenous contractor, a son of the soil. This road project at the Gbeda bears true testimony to the commitment of the Rivers State government towards fulfilling its promise of sustainable infrastructural development of the state. It is reassuring that these all-season roads will economically empower not only the people of the Gbeda community, but the entire Emoha local government area of Rivers State. It is worthy of note that this project was initially meant to cover 9.321 kilometers, but later extended by 12.128 kilometers, bringing its total length to 21.449 kilometers. It is of interest to note that this project was completed within 8 months when the governor assumed office. It covers task culverts and drainages, not just only the road, including culvert and drainages. This is a clear manifestation of the administration of Governor Siminalayi Fubara's seriousness commitment to the infrastructural development of the state and the economic well-being of its citizens. With this road, the people will now enjoy better socio-economic empowerment and integration within the local government and the rest of the states. My charge to you people is to continue to maintain this road. You know, this period, few months from now, the rain will start, and instead of you dumping refuse on the drains, will not be good. It will block all the drains. Then it will lead to flood. So I plead with you to keep this road clean, all the drainages clean. Let me thank you for your support to my brother. What I have seen here, people have been here since 11 a.m. This is organic love. It's not a borrowed crowd. It's not a place you come and mobilize, a village setting. But you can see, as I was coming, I saw all the crowd. I saw the traditional rulers well seated. This is real organic. And I thank you for the support that you have given to my brother, and I promise you, he will not fail you. Peace will return to Rivers State. The significance of my presence here shows our deep friendship and brotherhood. For me to come all over from Delta State, we are all one in this region. It shows a great relationship, that we have a very good relationship. It's point to start to the fact that as a state, we are supportive of our brother state in the South-South region. And our unity as a region is as strong as ever. We are united in this region and will continue to unite ourselves and continue to do well for our people. This is one of the most rich regions. We are the one producing the wealth of this nation. There's no reason why we will not give ourselves, our people, development. What they want is development, and this is dividend of democracy. My brother, I thank you for what you have done, and I'll be following all the things you have been doing for the past few days, and I know more will be coming to Rivers State.